Hi everyone, do you know you can become rich in 6 months? Yes, I literally have been thinking about doing a video like this. Some people think that putting their finances together, mastering their finances can take such a long time, but I just want to bring you good news today that you can become rich in 6 months. Like you can literally have a roadmap that can show you that, okay, this is where I am, and from here henceforth I am not going to worry about a lot of things. So I know you're excited about this kind of topic. I know you cannot wait to learn this from me. And I'm going to break it down so you will see what you can do in first month till the 6 months. So I'm already excited. I do hope you are so excited. First of all, we all need to know that for you to become a multi-millionaire, you must learn how to make money work for you. Okay? So that's the first thing I want you to understand. You did not learn how to earn 1 million naira every month. You don't need to earn a 1 million naira every month for you to be financially free. The truth is that the smart, wealthy people that I personally have come to know, they have so simplified mastering the secret of making money work for them. So in the next 15 minutes or less, literally or less, okay, I'm going to show you how you can master your finances in just 6 months. I'm very serious about it. You can literally become rich. You can change your finances in the next 6 months. The truth is, this strategy has helped a whole lot of people. Like, it helped me to change the way I was thinking about, financial freedom, financial independence. I used to think about these words as like, these things are just so way up. I can't reach them. But learning this changed my mind. Okay, it has changed a lot of people's, helped people and changed a lot of lives, and I personally want to help you. Hi, my name is Julia, and this is my channel, Finance with Julia. So here I talk everything about personal finance, especially helping you to grow your money, leveraging the US stock market to make a lot of money. And we're going to get to that point. Another secret I found out is that savings don't really make people rich. I've never seen a rich man who said, I've been saving money since I was a child and now I'm so rich. But if you meet people who are wealthy, most people move their money from, the business profits or salary, and they get it straight into investment. Investment is the vehicle that will drive your money. So I'm going to give you a 6 months breakdown of what to do to change your finances in 6 months. Are you ready? I know you're ready. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I do hope that this video will make you to subscribe and stay on glued to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I do hope that today's video is literally going to help you to, we're already in May. Okay, so let's look at from now to the next 6 months. I want you to give me results. So make sure you do the right things that I'm going to be talking about. So another thing I want to tell you is that the videos I'm sharing here, the ideas I discuss here are my personal views from my experience, research, and what has worked for me. So make sure you do your own due diligence. This is for educational purposes. So moving on, I want to talk to you about your mind, which is like the first place we are going to start from. Foundation. Okay, so your mind works in a fantastic way, and that's why most of the time I usually start this whole conversation with your mindset. Now, there's something called the ostrich effect. I discovered this ostrich effect as something I realize people do. When people do not have money, I see people avoiding having conversations about money. In fact, the one I'm going to tell you, which I know you probably have been doing, is the fact that we have spent a lot of money over a particular week. You will refuse to go and look at your account balance. Tell me that you are doing that. Tell me. Most people don't ever look at your bank balance, and this is a step that gives you clarity, because when you look at what you have, you now know, okay, this is where I am. Oh, what next should I do? So the clarity will give you, will replace anxiety, and it will give you the what next should I do? What next should I do? So have that in mind. Avoidance gives you more stress. This solution can help you because a lot of people keep delaying on looking, and our mind plays a lot of trick on us that if we leave it, it will not really look as bad as it is. the earlier you look at it, the better it can be for you. So let's get into the first month. Bearing in mind that I've talked about mindset, now in the first month, you're going to look at your foundation. When you want to build a house, the very first thing you do after drawing the plan is the foundation, and you must get the foundation right. Depending on the kind of thing you want to build, whether it's a bungalow, a duplex, a skyscraper, whatever, your foundation must be right. So what are you going to do in the foundation level? The month one, you're going to know your numbers. So you're going to start with by changing first your mindset, like the way you think about money. Some people think that this money is for a certain group of people. Let me even tell you one thing. This money can be for anybody, so far you have a plan. Money follows a simple, rule and follow certain principle. If you apply the principle, you will get the same result that the wealthy people are getting. Trust me when I say this. So how do you start? How do you start by changing your money mindset? Now you desire to be wealthy. You've been using words of affirmation. I'm a money magnet. Oh, money comes to me naturally. See, it is good though, but when you do not do some of the things I'm going to talk about in this video, that means you're just doing pouring water on a stone. Okay, I don't mean to make you sad, but that is the truth. I'm your financial bestie, and my job here is to help you see the truth. So how do you start? You're going to track your expenses, because I said here, know your numbers. So let's look at the last 30 days and the last 90 days of your spending. So go to your phone, go to your debit alerts, go to the spendings. Can you remember all the things that you have spent money on? Now start writing down where you have been spending money on. How can you reduce? How can you get alternative? How can you avoid if necessary? That is why tracking your expenses is important. And when you are finished tracking your expenses, by the time you are finished writing them down, now you start looking at, where did I spend money more on? Did I spend a lot of money on data? What did I use that data for? Where did I watch a lot of fun creative videos, or did I use the data to pay for go on webinars and master classes that could help me raise money? Did I use it to pay for a class that will help me to monetize my talent, my passion, my skill, stuff like that? So you're going to think of how you can reduce some of them. How do you get an alternative? And how can you avoid some? Now you're going to look at your core expenses. What are your core expenses? Things that cannot be changed. Things like food, healthcare, utilities, rent, transport. These ones come in every month. Gas, of course, your light bills. So these ones are very important. They're your core expenses. You must spend on them whether you like it or not. Whether you have money or you don't have money, you must spend money on them. You're going to check how much you have that comes in your income, the money you get from your investment for those that have started investing, money you get as bonus, the side hustles you've done, how much comes in. Now you look at it, what comes in and what is going out, which one is greater? If what is coming in is greater, you're in good luck. But what if the one you are spending is more? You need to look at the next plan I'm going to discuss. So plan for the future you, which is saving and investing. Now let's go to month 2, which is your saving money. You're going to get rid of non-essentials, all the things that you're spending money on, maybe subscriptions, hair, clothing, habits of like eating out, weddings, hanging out. You're going to look at some of these things. Are you going to do a lot of sacrifice because you want to fix your finances? Okay, how do you start? You're going to download this app, Optimus by Afrinvest. Then I'm going to link the video, okay, so that you will see how you can set it up in 5 minutes or less. After that, you set a target that you want to start saving money. You can say, okay, I want to save 100,000. I want to start with 80,000, 50,000, 500,000. That's a good plan. That is your plan for the month 2. So this second month, this is all you're going to do. Let's get to month 3. In month 3, you're going to think of increasing your income. Let me tell you why I said so, okay? When you increase your income, you're going to start thinking of more money will help you not to become stressed out with your expenses. So peradventure you spend 500,000 every month and you bring in 450,000. You need to just get an extra 100,000 so that by the time you finish with your 500,000, you still have like 50,000 to throw into investing / savings, okay? So that's why I said it's important. It will take off the stress of having more money, because more money will be helpful in building your wealth. If you want to consistently put in 20,000, 10,000, 50,000 every single month, then you must look for some money so that they will push that wealth building fast for you. Why? You can speed it up so you can make your rich life come faster. Now, what are other things you can do? Get a promotion, like request for a promotion, if possible switch your jobs. Another thing you can do is to learn a high income skill, monetize your knowledge, maybe through YouTube, Facebook, create digital products, do affiliates and KDP Amazon. Then the fourth month is simple, eliminate debt. So look at all your debts, separate them, the big ones, the small ones. Now look at the ones that are good debts and bad debts. I'm probably going to do a video. Let's discuss why some debts are good. Now you create a plan. How I'm going to pay off? Am I going to pay some every month? Am I going to bulk it and then pay off at once? And please stop loan shark debt. Please stop, because this one will put you into trouble. It's like an endless rat rate cycle. You are constantly collecting and paying back, collecting and paying back. You are going to be stuck, and it's not nice at all. Then the fifth month, I'm sure you are now excited. Fifth month, you're going to invest in yourself. Of course, you're going to join a community, pay for a program, go for conferences, master classes, seminar, network, collaborate, meet people. See, when you invest in yourself, it gives you the biggest. See, I had to write 100,000%. See, your return on investment is massive here. There is no need trying to like cover it. The biggest investment is in myself, and it will continue to pay me. Even if I don't find anybody to teach, what I've learned will pay me for life, and that is very important. Now in the 6th month is where everything comes together. What do you do in your 6 months? You start investing, which is my favorite part. Okay, I'm sure by now you would have opened a brokerage app. Of course, Optimus by Afrinvest. If you check the link in the description, you'll see my referral code. Just click on it, it takes you straight, and you download the app in 2 to 5 minutes. It doesn't take time, and you can start investing. Now, how do you make it juicy? Invest and start earning every month. There are companies that pay you every month for just owning their stock. It's like you bought a phone and then that phone company is paying you every month, something like that. Or you probably bought shares in a particular company you love. Maybe you like to drink Coke and they pay you. See, there are companies that pay dividends every month, and in a whole year we collect up to 40%. Imagine 1 million giving you 400,000 just for doing nothing, having access to the right information. Now mix it, okay? Diversify, have your growth stock, ETFs, have your dividends, and automate. Another thing you need to do is to review what you have done every quarter. And this is one thing I do with my VIP clients, because people keep asking me, yes, when you are my VIP clients, I help you to look through your account, look at where you need to work more on, then check and see how much you're bringing in and how that money can bring in more money for you, because that's the whole essence. I'm here to make sure that your money is working perfectly well, so that if you are looking to retire in the next 20 years, how can we bring that number down to like 10 years? That sounds interesting. Oh my God, this is nice, right? So this is what we do in the community. So do yourself a favor and join the VIP clients. Now, this is my final word. Make investing a habit, just like paying bills is. So the same way you bring out money to pay for light, make sure you are paying bills. Why? Your future you needs more money. Because see, every day things are getting more expensive. So those people that thought that having 10 million to retire, it would be enough for them. Hello, welcome to 2025. Now, 500 million may not be enough for you to retire off with. You may be needing like 700 million. I'm sure you've watched the video where I said somebody wanted to retire before age 50. Go and watch that particular video. Make sure you don't miss watching that video, okay? So now, this is my dollar community. We have 2 levels. We have the 10,000 naira class, which is the basics, where you learn about stocks and then how you can earn every month. And then we have the VIP, where you get to see all the stocks I'm buying. I get to do review with you, and this is so beautiful. You need to see the love and the things we do in the community. So the link to pay and join us is in the description. Now, this is my newest book. It is called The Money Baddie. Okay, so you can't afford to join my community, you can start with getting this book. This book is an eye-opener. Those that have bought it have called me to say thank you, that this book really, I'm considering having a physical print. Okay, so the link is also in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you watched to this point. Drop a comment for me. I would like to know if you're going to start, and make sure when you start from your month one, do not give up. This is about your future. This is about your finances. This is about your financial freedom. I want you to enjoy life. I want you to have the most amazing life with your children, building generational wealth. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and have a great, great, great day.